Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Jupyter Notebooks are a popular tool for interactive computing and data analysis. They allow you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Sometimes, you might want to share your work with others who don't use Jupyter Notebooks, and one way to do that is by converting your notebook to HTML. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to convert a Jupyter Notebook to an HTML file using Python. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. The nbconvert library is a powerful tool for converting Jupyter Notebooks to various formats, including HTML. Install it using the following command. Create or open the Jupyter Notebook that you want to convert to HTML. Now, let's write a Python script that converts a Jupyter Notebook to HTML. Create a new Python script, example convert _to _html.py, and use the following code. Replace your _notebook.append with the path to your Jupyter Notebook and output _notebook.html with the desired name for the HTML output file. Execute the script using the following command. This will convert the specified Jupyter Notebook to an HTML file. Now you have successfully converted a Jupyter Notebook to HTML using Python. Share the HTML file with others, and they can view your work without needing a Jupyter environment. ChatGPT. Sure, I'd be happy to help you create a tutorial on converting a Python notebook to HTML using code examples. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to do this using Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook, ensure you have Jupyter Notebook installed. If not, you can install it via pip. Python should be installed on your system. Step 1. Create a Python notebook. Open your terminal or command prompt and launch Jupyter Notebook. This command will open a new tab in your web browser where you can create a new Python 3 notebook. Click on New and select Python 3. Step 2. Write code and document in the notebook. Write your Python code in the cells of the notebook. Include markdown cells for documentation, explanations, and formatting. For example, Markdown cell. Step 3. Save the notebook. Save the notebook by clicking File Save and Checkpoint or using the shortcut Ctrl+S or CMD+S. Step 4. Convert notebook to HTML. Use the nbconvert command to convert the notebook to HTML. In your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where your notebook is located and execute the following command. Replace your notebook name.append with the actual name of your notebook file. Step 5. View the HTML file. After executing the command, a new HTML file named yournotebookname.html will be created in the same directory as your notebook. You can now open this HTML file in your web browser to view the converted notebook. Here is a Python code snippet that demonstrates converting a notebook to HTML using nbconvert. Converting a Python notebook to HTML using Jupyter Notebook's nbconvert utility is a simple and effective way to share your code, documentation, and visualizations with others who might not have Jupyter installed. This allows for easy sharing and presentation of your work in a readable HTML format. ChatGPT.